You searched how to buy shares of Lifetime Brands Inc. Lifetime Brands designs and supplies kitchenware, cookware, and tableware, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker LCUT. This short video explains the practical steps to place a purchase. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LCUT to find the listing. Select the Lifetime Brands Inc. result to ensure you have the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right security. Check the company description and the LCUT ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A soft call to action. The example link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.